Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So a hero image is the main visual that represents your product, brand or content. The first thing people notice, it must be clean, high impact and professional. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to generate a hero image on OpenArt in 2026 like a pro, okay? So first thing first, define the purpose, okay? So before generating, decide product or subject, audience, platform like website, ad, thumbnail, message. Okay, so for example, show a premium smartwatch as a sleek and futuristic. Okay, so this is just a example prompt. Okay, so focus on one main subject, so keep one clear topic or one clear focal point, like avoid busy backgrounds, multiple competing elements, like clarity is the impact in this case. Okay, so write a high impact prompts include subject, lighting, background, style and quality. So for example, as we did before, so we will make it enhanced a little, like this. So premium smartwatch, centered composition, dark background, dramatic lighting, reflections, ultra realistic, 4K product for photography style. Okay, so think like a product photographer. Okay, use strong composition, like use centered subject, depth of field, clean background, like there are some keywords like minimal, studio lighting, high contrast. Okay, so composition means professionalism. Okay, so generate multiple variations. OpenArt generates several images. Okay, compare lighting, angles, clarity, choose the strongest among them and refine the best image. So improve details, sharpness, colors, and regenerate small variations that polish, stay polishing until it's premium. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.